Okay, so to install directly from the command line, let's try to install another application directly from the command line. There is this text editor I do use, it's called Pluma. Pluma is a text editor. So let's try to install Pluma. So to do that directly without going to GitHub, you can just do sudo app install Pluma, right? And I will hit the enter. You can see download as comments, and we have our download done. So if I want to use Pluma now, I can just type Pluma and enter. So it's a text editor. Pluma should load now. So Pluma, like I said, it's a text editor just like your mouse pad and every other. So you can see Pluma is loaded here, and you can enter anything you want to enter. So probably you can use Pluma to open a file, right? Yeah, it's a text editor. You can open I'm not saving this, cancel without saving, close without saving. Alright, so let me show you something quickly. If I do an ls here, let me see what I have here. Let's go to the downloads, for instance, or let's navigate to my exploit directly where I carry out most of my exploitations. ls. Okay, so I have lots of I have some juicy things here, for instance. Okay, so let's open one of this file with the text editor. So let me create a new file very quickly and I'll open it with the text editor. So let's say Los Angeles, Los or New York. Creating a file called New York, for instance, and we want to append into that file. We want to write into that file. Let's just do ABC, and I'll do a C now. Cancel that. So if I do an ls now, you can see that we should have a New York file here. Where is it? Alright, so you can see our file here. Alright, so apart from just using the cat command to cat the New York, let's use our Pluma text editor. So cat is a command line tool, you see it here, while Pluma is a text editor, like a mouse pad. It's a pad, so it's a notepad. So let's use Pluma to open that file. I'll just clear this very quickly. So I'll do Pluma just ls, okay, New York. So I'll do Pluma space and the name of the file, New York, right? And I will hit enter. So it will open. Okay, you can see it has opened this on a text editor. So this is the content of it. So Pluma is a text editor, right? So you can close that. Now to remove the application Pluma, all you need to do is to give the command sudo apt -get remove Pluma. Let's see. Okay, so alright, so Pluma should be successfully removed now. Upgraded, 0 newly installed. Want to remove and not upgraded. After this operation, disk space will be free. Do you want to continue? Alright, so this was the case I was telling you now. It's requiring for consent. So do we want to continue to remove this application? Either yes or no, Y or N. Y represents yes and N represents no. So we hit the Y, and it will, once we click the Y and we hit enter, it will proceed to remove that particular application from the system. So basically that's how we add, we download, and how we install and remove applications. But for applications that you don't know the specific name, right, so you can go to GitHub and search the application. So you can see it's still reading 65-70%. It's counting down to 100. So once it's 100, the text editor should be out from the system completely. So alright, removing Pluma. You can see the message removing Pluma. You can see the line here. You can see the line here removing Pluma. So it's still working on the background, trying to remove everything pertaining to that particular file, particular application. So this is one way to do it using command line. Another way to do all this is to do it via the GUI interface. Of course, I explained to us the difference between GUI and CLI interface. just like your regular Windows, how you go to the settings and go to all programs and applications, and you find the specific applications you want to modify, remove, or make changes to, and you just give the command and you just click on it. But this is a way of doing it on the CLI. Okay, so it's processing. So at the end of, once it's complete, all right, okay, so you can see it has complete. If we see now, we shouldn't be having Pluma again on our PC. So let me just clear this, for instance, and of course let's try to use Pluma now to open that New York file. So let's see Pluma. All right, so let's see it. So we can see command Pluma not found but can be installed with sudo app install Pluma. So you can see we have successfully removed Pluma from this system, right? So alright, so with that being said, we've come to the end of this lesson. I do hope you enjoyed this class. See you in my next lesson, and of course don't forget to like, share and comment on my videos. And of course, if you're not following me, if you're not subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my lessons as they unfold. Cheers.